can't believe it. In 29 minutes of starting this side hustle from scratch, zero experience, I made 23 bucks. After 2 hours, I was already at over $200. After 4 hours, I was already $600 in. And after 5 hours, I had already made over $830, making it the greatest and fastest side hustle I have ever done in all my years. This side hustle is about going live with your phone, unprompted, unscripted, and making money. The game has changed. People want to buy from people, not from corporate organizations and logos. I first heard this business opportunity from a creator I follow named Gary Vaynerchuk. He kept talking about social shopping, and that's what this is. So introducing the 21-day social shopping challenge, or really selling challenge, where we're going to be going live together, and I'll walk you through from scratch on how to capitalize on this opportunity. It is crazy because every time I went live, and I tested this with my friends' accounts as well, that went live within the first 24 hours, every single person made money. And I made over $800 with just 5 hours of work. In no other side hustle I've ever done, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, selling courses, anything, have I ever made that much money and so fast. And the reason is demand. This is one of those opportunities where you gotta get in right now because it's hot and it won't always be. You don't need a social media following. You don't need to even tell anyone you're doing this. And when you go live on this specific app, people show up ready to buy. It sounds too good to be true, but I personally have tested it and it works. As long as you got one of these and you live in the USA, this opportunity is pretty much meant for you. If you give me 21 days, I will teach you everything you need to know about this amazing business model, guarantee that you make money, and if you don't, you can ask for a full refund, support you with daily lives, and on top of that, you'll get a community of people who are also trying to hustle to make their first $1,000, $10,000, and I'll be giving away amazing prizes like Insta360 cameras. Listen, the reason I do these things is because my favorite thing to gift people is the experience of making their very first dollars online. There's nothing quite like it. It's like going to the gym, working out, and finally being able to do your first pull-up. It's an amazing feeling. And I want to gift that to you with this new exciting business model because it's so simple and it's so freaky fast, and it won't always be this way. Out of anything I've ever taught, this is gonna be the most successful challenge I've ever done, and I mean that in terms of you making money fast and lots of it. We start really soon and we have limited capacity, so make sure you sign up for a spot, and remember, it's pretty much risk-free. If you don't make money, you can get a refund. I cannot wait to see you in the challenge. Click below to sign up.